How to shop at Target online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'm simply going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually shop at Target online. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to shop at Target online, first of all just go to target.com, which is the official website. Then you want to simply sign into your account if you want to though, but this is actually really optional. You don't really need to sign in, you can actually just order directly. So what you want to do is after you go to the website, just look for the products that you want to shop. So you have categories wise as well. You can select Easter, St. Patrick's Day, or every type of groceries, clothing items, or whatever else that you're looking for. Then just add them to your cart respectively after you pick the color and everything else, right? Once you add your desired products to the cart, you'll see your bag fill up from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you have to click on this little cart icon from the top right hand side, and then here you'll be able to see your shipping details. And then over here you can just order includes a gift or whatever else, or just sign in to checkout, right? So we're just going to click on the sign in button. Then if you don't have an account, just click on create account and then just enter their first name as well as the last name. Also make sure to enter a password, and then after you've done all the steps, just go ahead and click on the create account button. Once you click on create account, right over here tap on the skip button or whatever else you prefer, and then after that you'll be able to successfully check out this product using your payment method, your shipping address, and everything else. And that is it for this video. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.